Today, I finally realized I can do more than read thoughts. I can move things with my mind.
The one on the flamboyant temper, just toss that ham in the frying pan. Like spam, get done when I come and slam. Damn, I feel like the son of Sam. Don't make me wreck.
I can manipulate objects however I desire. As my abilities continue to grow, so too does my confidence in them. When I was a child, I begged my father to buy me a rubber ball that lit up when it bounced. He refused, so I put the ball in my pocket. When he caught me playing with it later, he told me we were taking it back to the store. In protest, I threw the ball down a well. My father held me by the ankles over that well and told me he would drop me if I ever disobeyed him again. I can remember looking down to the darkness below. I have felt that way my entire life. Utterly powerless. Like I could be dropped down that well at any moment. Until now. I read a man's mind on the subway today. He was staring at a young woman across from him. His brain full of such ugly thoughts. I rendered him blind. Yet, even so, still I heard him panicking. And at that moment, that awful headache returned. As we were exiting the subway together, I saw another car coming, and I gave him a gentle telekinetic push. When he died, I felt better. Until I read the next mind. And the next. Jealousy, rage, spite, deviance. No matter whose mind I peer into, vile thoughts fill up their brains and in turn mine. I've learned the truth about humanity. At their very core, people are monsters. I hate them.
Henry?
I worry about him.
I'm fine. Thanks.
A man called. A lawyer. He wanted to talk with you about your father.
He'd probably be better off if he died.
Shut up. Dad?
Henry?
Get out of